Hey everyone, it's Jenny. I am back with another project share. I'm actually not sure what I'm making right now. I'm making a lot of different projects, and I just wanted to share with you because I actually finished some of them today. So a while back, maybe a couple years ago, I had actually made a bunch of stars that were similar to these hearts that I'm going to show you. And I just had them kind of prepped. It was basically inspired by Tamika, who is Scrap the World here on YouTube, and I just fell in love with her project, and so I made a bunch of stars and I added on a lot of grading farm images to it, and then I didn't do anything with it for a while. And as I needed cards, I would just kind of put them on my cards. And then I think I'm almost out. I might have like one or two left, but since I've been home, I've been trying to finish up a bunch of projects, going through my craft room, cleaning things out, and trying to see what I can work on. And I found a bunch of these hearts that were already cut out. So all I had to do was just glitter them up and add some embellishments to it, and then I can use them on future projects. It's super easy to make a card when you have all these things pre-made, so I decided to give myself a head start on some of these things so that later on, when I need something really fast, I'll have some things already to go. So these are just some of the samples of the ones that I did. Obviously, I didn't finish these, but they were just two. This one only had two. I'm not sure where the third heart went, but I thought I would leave some just by itself so that in case I just needed to, I didn't want it prearranged. I would have some flexibility there. So these are some of the sets that I have that I didn't complete. And then, like I said, at least I'll have a bunch to use in the future. And then I did, this one I didn't really care for. I think it was like the typewriter one. And I didn't really care for the paper even after I glittered it. So what I did was I followed Betty's tutorial, who is Scrap Passion, and she showed, it's kind of an old tutorial where she showed how to attach sequins to a heart or glitter. No, I think it was sequins to an image using hot glue. And it wasn't as hard as I thought it would be, so I decided to use it on the paper that, since I didn't really like the paper that I used, and then cover up the image so that I could use it. And it came out like super shiny, so I thought it didn't really match the other projects, so I just left them separate so that I can use them for like how I'm going to be using these. So those are the ones that I didn't complete, and these are some that I did complete that I didn't add an image to, so I just thought I'd share those with you. So I could just add on more embellishments like pearls and stuff, or I can add an image or just words, but I didn't want to. I just wanted to have some that I could play around with. So this is how I finished this one. So this is like a wire, like a floral wire. It was actually a Prima wire that I bought years ago. There's my dog again. So anyway, so I did that, and then I used different types of glitters. These are the iridescent ones, and then I used some clear glitter. Kind of like the clear glitter a little bit better, but just to give you different ideas. Sometimes you're in a glitter mood, sometimes you're not. Anyway, so those are the plain ones. And then I started with this one where I used one that was already, the heart that was already done, and then I had an extra of these mochi bunnies that I just added to it, and I thought it came out super cute. So I was trying to explain to my sister that I think this is my style. I don't really have a style, like a known style, but I guess this would be it. So it's like a shabby chic kind of cute, or kawaii shabby chic kind of style. Anyway, so I did that, and that was the only one that I had done for a while. And then today, I decided to play with some of the images that my sister has been working on, and she sent me a bunch, and I thought they came out really cute. So let me just start off by doing some of the old sister stamp ones. So these she had already like colored on the computer, so I didn't really have a choice in the colors. that were provided, because she had them. Hey, Kiko. So she had them on like different washi backgrounds that she made, so that's why it's certain color schemes. So I just tried to pair it with the hearts that I had already made. So that's why a lot of them are bright colors, like this one. So I tried to put it with a background that was a little bit darker. And this, luckily I had put a darker rose on it, so it kind of matched. And then I have this one. It's actually supposed to be a reddish background, but I don't know. I just thought that this kind of matched too. And then the last Sister Stamps one is this one. Oops, sorry. And as you can see on this one, I have the beads on here. So I was trying to, I actually wanted to do seed beads, but the seed beads were a little too small for that wire. So it didn't quite work out. So I just added some pearls, just to give it a different look. And then, like I said, my sister gave me some new images. So this is the newest one she gave me. And look how cute it is. It's a bunny. Oh my god, so cute. I love it when she gives me animals. So then I attached it to this one. And then she gave me some pandas. Look how cute. Oh my god, I love it. And then here's another panda. Oh, what's that on your face? It's glitter. I have so much glitter on my couch. Can you see? See? Sorry, I'm trying to handhold all of this stuff. And then here's the last one, the last panda, where he's on his back. And then these are the other ones she was working on. She just kind of shared it with me, and I told her I would love to have it. So look, it's so cute. It's a raccoon. Cute, yeah. And then I told her, can she make him a friend? And she made him frocks. Oh my god, they're so cute. So hopefully this will inspire you to play around with your stuff and I guess maybe find your own style. Like I said, I tend to like cute stuff, so not everybody likes my style. I understand that. But I also like shabby chic colors and glitter and, you know, girly kind of stuff. So I'm hoping that more people will do that kind of stuff. Oh my god, can you hear my dog? He's going crazy. Okay, well, I guess that's my cue to end this video. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.